Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are back at Caesar's Palace, and I'm excited to share with you this room in the Palace Tower. This is a Palace Premium King room, and these rooms are so spacious. They tend to be pretty affordable too, so I'm really excited to show you this as an option. If you're coming to Las Vegas and want to stay at Caesar's Palace, great option. It's a great location, close to so many things, and as you can see, again, super spacious room. King bed, lots and lots of space in here. You've got the sofa, television area. They do have a stocked fridge, but this thing is stocked tight, and they're going to charge you if you touch any of these things. So we did have them bring up a refrigerator to the room, which I have not had any problem with them doing that. They seem pretty happy to do that. So that's an option. If you want an empty fridge, have it brought up. But as you can see, just really, really spacious. These closets are huge. One thing I really loved about these closets is that they do have a sensor light. So we would leave one door open at night so that if you use the bathroom, it was kind of like a night light. And that really helped because it is kind of a little long hallway right here, and it does get pretty dark in these rooms, with especially with those curtains closed. The bathroom area is huge. These bathrooms are beautiful. You have a nice, big, super cool shower. Closed off bathroom area. And then this huge sink area. And a really nice soaking tub. Really well done. Like, these bathrooms are super clean, super spacious. And again, that tub is really awesome. Get a little desk area here, and then another desk area over here. This super nice little sitting sofa area. That is not a pull-out bed though. And as you can see, we were here in January, so the pools are emptied. But in the summer, I can imagine this room style would be incredible because the views are still really beautiful from here, even right now. But I can imagine that in the summer, that would be a really beautiful view. So there you go. There is a look at the Palace Tower Premium King Room at Caesar's Palace. I will leave all the details down below. Make sure to subscribe and check out all of our other awesome Vegas videos to find the best room for you when you visit. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.